Hi, my name's Marlon. I'd like to introduce our body fluid spill kit, which is ideal for schools, hospitals and travel companies. This is for cleaning vomit, urine, blood, diarrhoea and other spills. This is our standard kit, which contains 1 bottle of body fluid absorbing powder. This will neutralise and absorb the spillage, 1 dustpan and brush, 1 pair of gloves, 1 disposable bag and tie. Here I will demonstrate how quickly a spill can be cleaned up and neutralised. We are using coffee in this example. Once a spill has been detected, add the powder to the affected area. Not only will this neutralise any bad smells, it also kills any bacteria and viruses such as HIV and Hepatitis B. Wait 10 seconds. Then, with the dustpan and brush, you can sweep up the remainders with ease. Don't forget to wear the gloves provided. Once you have swept everything up, dispose of the waste in the bag provided. Securely seal it with the zip tie and dispose of the bag in accordance with local regulations. If you are interested in this product, please visit tradeshopdirect.co.uk or call us on 01353 665 141. Thanks for watching.